My name's Lauren Weekly, and this is The Breakup, a hotspot talk show. Every generation has a lot of different ideas about what makes a relationship great, how to create a long-lasting relationship, and how to be courted. My mother personally told me never to meet a guy in a bar. I think people have different opinions about this, and I wanted to go around and see where we find places that will make long-lasting relationships.
I personally think a bar or a club could be a good place to meet people. So there's a lot of young people around, a lot of people trying to have fun, and you get to see people in a social setting, I guess.
I really think that, all those big cities like New York, London, Paris, it's very metropolitan, it's very young, moves really fast. And of course, we always meet people in bars and clubs, but it's very, very hard to maintain something, a relationship that is strong.
Do you think men are more apt to try to meet somebody at a bar and feel that it's an acceptable location than a woman?
You're not building the relationship in the bar, you're meeting the person in the bar, and then you're going to hang out with them outside of there. You're not trying to, get to know them so well in the bar. You're trying to see little things about them in the bar to see if it's something somebody might be interested in, and then you get to know them after that.
Women of today, are the same. You can't really discriminate by men or women. They both think the same. They both do the same. They go to bars. Women go to bars looking, having fun, and to look at men too. I don't think it's just men who go to a bar to look for a girl and to be in a relationship or whatever. It's just like he said, and I agree with him that it's just a place to meet a person and then you take it from there. It's up to you and the person to pursue it or not.
I think a lot of women want a story to tell. We're big on that. Does any of the women here feel like you do meet at a bar that it takes away from that romantic feel?
I wouldn't say a bar you can still hold a conversation and get to know someone, but I feel in a club setting, you're really not going out there with the intentions of meeting someone. You're wearing short skirts, because it's really hot. I feel that it's really just not like the ideal setting to meet someone. I feel that most of those relationships do end up as one-night stands and not really long-lasting relationships.
A church or a family organization kind of event to maybe create more of a lasting relationship and have the same values.
I never did the church, but
where did you meet somebody that you felt was a little more a library? Okay.
And I ended up in a relationship with that person for a little while, but I was younger.
How long did that last?
About 3.5 months.
Not bad for a library. Now, do you feel like because it was a place where it's a little more revered and people are more proper that you were able to, more sophisticated, that's a great word, that you were able to have more of a foundation?
Were more interesting, more cultural. It was more about, not about the prettiness and all these kind of things, like, oh, you're reading about this? Oh, wow, so I'm working on this. And we ended up going to have a nice little coffee instead of getting
It wasn't about prettiness?
It was not about prettiness.
Well,
it was a geek, and I looked like crap.
I think we can all see that you're a beautiful girl, but what you're saying is because of the setting that it brought out more of the content of who you are and what you're doing there than the actual physical attraction.
Place really does not matter, right? I think, in my experience, be it a bar, a club, like you had library, church, internet. I have seen people having great relationship on the internet, though it sounds very weird, People meeting and then getting married.
Each person has a different type of setting that works for them, and you're never going to know who pops up.
I don't say there is a specific set or a specific place where you can say, okay, this is going to work and this is not going to work. I think it's as you said, it's completely depending on the person's what you're looking for. You might find someone very compatible, even you might be meeting at a flower shop, and then you might say, oh my God, this person is so great,
I like what you said about the internet, because it is becoming the new wave of the future. We have so many different options now on profile and meeting somebody in a way where it's not necessarily, because chemistry comes into play when you're in a relationship, and over the internet you can't really feel chemistry.
One of those sites intentionally looking for a relationship because you don't know who you're talking to. Just people that don't have good intentions, and how do you really know that that person is who they say they are?
Places to meet, and whether or not it affects the outcome of having a serious relationship or not. I think we're all sort of agreeing that each person's different and each person has their own way of meeting people, and things can take you by surprise. It's really not a factor in a great relationship. everybody here has had different relationships with different people from different places all over.